Hey everybody, today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video of my latest Amazon purchase. This is the Suunto Core Alpha Stealth Watch. As with all my purchases, I bought this item with my own money. I like doing these unboxing videos in case there's somebody else out there who's thinking about buying the same item and they want to get an idea of what does it look like when it comes in, what's it packaged like, what does it come with, etc. So let's take a look at what we get. So this is what is called an ABC watch. ABC standing for altimeter, barometer, and compass. It looks like some kind of little inspection card. Instruction manual, looks like they give you several copies in different languages. And then the watch itself. So I mentioned it's an ABC watch. It is not a smart watch. It does not connect to your phone, anything like that. So there's no charging cables, anything like that. It runs on a regular CR2032 battery. And it's advertised as being able to be changed easily by the user. You can notice on the back of the case, it's got a little groove here where you can take the case back off when you need to change out the battery. CR2032 is a standard battery. It's pretty easy to find in most stores. It is a mineral crystal. It's not a sapphire crystal. Does altimeter, barometer, compass, thermometer, sunrise and sunset information. It also has these markers up at the top that are luminescent. They glow in the dark. Anyway, that's a quick unboxing. I hope it helps.